Hello beauties, in today's video we're going to be doing the Mob Wife makeup tutorial look, which has been very popular on YouTube and TikTok, and we're going to get into the video and get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's content video I'm going to do the Mob Wife makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm very nervous, I don't know what to do, so let's get into the video. So I don't have a black eyeshadow, so I'm going to make it work this dark brown. So they usually have the dark brown or the darker color on the outer corner of the eye. And apply it. So I'm going to take this black liner, Ruby Kisses, and apply it. And maybe I can smudge it a little bit. I like it. I'm going to do the same thing on this side too. And it's going to take my finger and just smudge. Just go back and forth. And I'm going to use probably like a nude-ish color. I'm going to use the Love Bite. I'm just going to apply that right in there. And I'm going to put a little Vaseline. That soak. And I'm going to put some black eyeliner under here. And that way, and then just kind of have it smudge some more out. Because we're going to fix that up with some concealer. I'm going to show you guys that. And I'm going to use some lashes. I'm just going to apply some glue here. I'm not going to do all that. I'm not going to make it tacky because I'm going to take these right back off. I'm just going to apply them here. And I'm going to use the cappuccino. No, I can use Maybelline, a warm olive. I'm going to use this color here. And a little bit, I used the cappuccino, and I'm going to use a little bit of tan. And I'm going to use Favorite Contour. And I'm going to blend this side out for you guys underneath, and I'm going to rub this contour in. And I'm going to use a little bit of what's it called, Top Secret. Go back with the eyeliner. There's a rubbing it in. Mild Wife. And I'll put this on top. Be right back. Okay guys, that was the end of the Mod Wife makeup tutorial look. I hope you guys did enjoy that look. I said let me try to capture it. I tried to do it in my own way. So I hope you guys did enjoy the content, and I'm just making it really precise. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was a fun, challenging makeup tutorial. I was doing the best I could to look like a mob wife, so I hope that I exceeded with you guys' expectations, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And I would like for you guys to do this challenge as well, and just tag me in the video down below, and let's just have fun. So I really do appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video for more beauty tips and tricks. Bye.